Good morning, dear students. Welcome back in your literature class. Today we will start chapter 12 How Rabbit Become Real, which is at page 102. Dear students, this is a story of a stuffed toy rabbit whose desire is to become real through the love of his owner, means child. The child plays with the other new toys and forgets the velveteen rabbit for a time. The new brighter toys came into the toy box. For a long time, the rabbit toy lived in the toy cupboard and no one paid much attention to him. That toys was shy and the more expensive toys ignored him. All were mechanical toys. They had special tricks. Some could move when the boy pushed a button, others bounced high. The modern model boat would not bother the rabbit. The rabbit felt to himself unimportant. Only the rocking horse was kind to him. The rocking horse was an old toy, but he was wise. Once, Rabbit asked to the rocking horse, "What is real?" The rocking horse said, "Being real is the best. When a child loves you for a long time, then you became real." Rabbit said, "It is hurt. Is it hurt?" Rocking horse said, "Yes, sometimes." Rabbit asked, "Does it happen all at once?" The rocking horse said, "No, it takes a long time. When your hair has been lopped off, your eyes dropped out, and you get very old. But these things did not matter because once you are real, you cannot become ugly or bad." Then Rabbit said to the rocking horse, "I think you are real." The horse smiled and said that the boy's uncle loved me and that made me real. If once you become real, you cannot become unreal again. The rabbit wants to become real and he wants to know what it felt like. The idea of growing old is sad. He wished to become real without becoming old. The Nana nursemaid who took care of the boy, and sometimes she also not pay much attention to the playing things, and sometimes he pushed them away roughly. One evening the boy was going to bed and his bedtime partner, dog toy, was missing. Nana was in a hurry and he did not find toy dog, so she simply picked up the nearest toy. She said to the boy, "Take your old bunny and put it in boy's arms." The velveteen rabbit slept in boy's bed after many nights. The boy hugged him very tightly and rolled over on him. Soon the boy started to like the rabbit, and they played games together in whispers when Nana had left after putting boy to bed. In the morning, the boy would show soft rabbit's holes under the sheets. The little rabbit was so happy he even noticed how his soft fur was getting old and worn out. His tail became unseen and his pink nose grew less pink when the boy kissed him. The spring season came. The boy went in the garden with the rabbit. The boy enjoyed rides in the wheelbarrow and picnics on the grass. If his mother called him for tea and rabbit left out on the grass, the Nana had to come took the rabbit because the boy could not go to sleep unless he was there. Nana gave the boy his old bunny and said, "Take care of your toy." The boy took his bunny in the bed and said to Nana, "It is not a toy, he is real for me." After hearing this, the little rabbit was happy and thinking that rocking horse had said was true at last. He had become real, no longer a toy. That night, Rabbit was happy to sleep. Too much affection and love filled in his little heart because he had become real. क्योंकि अब वो real बन गया था. He was too much happy. Dear students, this is the story of this chapter. Now your homework is to read the chapter. Stay home, stay safe, have a good day. Thank you.